Good morning students. In the last video I have explained about the Jilla Parishad and the role and functions of elected representatives. The next concept and the last concept of this chapter is importance of grassroots democracy. Grassroots democracy, it is a people or community driven contribution in elections, governance and decision making. Grassroots democracy can be seen as a propensity towards designing political process where as much as decision making authority as practical is shifted to the lowest level of organization. So here grassroots democracy means the decision making authority or power is given to the lowest level of organization instead of giving to the, usually you can see the decision making authority, it will be given to the high level of organization or the top level management, but in case of grassroots democracy it will be given to the lowest level of organization. Therefore a local government is a government at the grassroots level of administration meant for meeting peculiar grassroots needs of the people. So the government, the local government, it has to see to it that what are the needs of the people, and it has to take decision based on that. The local government is a system of public administration at a local level and charged with the responsibility of bringing the people at the grassroots closer to the government. And grassroots organization can have numerous structures depending on the type of organization and what the members want. So the grassroots structure is, it depends on the organization and it depends on the members how they want. And this can be non-structured and non-hierarchical organization. So these grassroots democracy, it is here there is no proper structure, it is non-structured and non-hierarchical. So here hierarchical means here what happens, usually the management, when we see the management levels of management will be low level, middle level and top level. So the top level, it will take the decisions, right? So it has the more power. But in case of grassroots democracy, the low level management or the lower level government, it has the more power to take the decisions. Then it run by the non-hierarchical organization that are run by all the members or by whichever members wishes to do something. So who wants to do something, they will take care of the organization. The grassroots level is called as the Panchayati Raj System, and if democracy means people's participation in running their affairs, then it is nowhere more direct, clear and significant than at a local level. So where the contact between the people and their representatives, between the rulers and the ruled, is more constant, vigilant and manageable. So what are the grassroots movements? A grassroots movement, also referenced in the context of political movement, is one which uses the people in a given district as the basis for political or economic movement. So here they will take the decision based on the people's opinion in order to for the political and economic movement or decisions. Grassroots movements and organization use collective action from the local level to affect change at the local, regional, national or international level. So the grassroots movements are related with bottom up rather than top down. So here it is like from low level to the top level, means first it is like bottom up, means first the bottom level will have the more power instead of rather than top down decision making, and are sometimes considered more natural or spontaneous rather than more traditional power structure. So they are considered as more natural or spontaneous than more traditional power structures. Grassroots movements utilize numerous strategies from fundraising and registering voters to simply encouraging political conversation. So all these are the movements, grassroots movements. It uses the various strategies for fundraising or registering voters or to simply encouraging political conversation. The major goal of specific movements vary, but the movements are consistent in their focus on increasing mass participation in politics. So, it is found in reports that grassroots movements use strategies that build power from local to community movements. So it is found that in the report it is found that the grassroots movements, they use the strategies that build power from the that get the power from the local and community movements. And the grassroots campaigns, a non-profit organization dedicated to in creating and supporting grassroots movements. And it is said that the aim of grassroots movement is to raise money. The what is the main aim of the grassroots movement? It is to raise money, then build organizations, then raise awareness, then build name recognition, and to win campaigns, and to expand political participation. So all these are the aim and objectives of the grassroots movements. Then grassroots movements work towards these and other goals via strategies focusing on local participation in either local or national politics. So here it is they will use the strategies in order to in order to help the local people to participate in the national politics, either for local politics or national politics. The grassroots organization derive their power from the people, and thus their strategies seek to engage ordinary people in political discourage to the greatest extent possible. So this is also there. So this is about the importance of grassroots democracy and the so this is the last concept of your chapter, your fourth chapter, that is local government. With that I have completed your Indian constitution subject syllabus is completed. Please study well and watch all the videos of Indian constitution. If you are not understanding anything, please contact me. Study well. All the best. Thank you.